What's going on, YouTube? Alright, so I know yesterday the rotary was in, and it's still in. So that's a good thing. But if you can't tell, last night after I ended the video, I decided to work a little bit on it. So this is now in. All that's done. Got the fuse box right here done. What else did I do? I don't think much else besides hooking up the slave. Did the throttle cable. But yeah, it's coming together, guys. Oh, and got that on the oil cooler. So I think this will probably be a real short video today, only because I got work in the morning, and I don't know, I got work, man. It sucks, but you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? So I think today I'll probably just put the shifter in, get all that together, and maybe just try to get some of this together. So I don't know if, probably won't get started today. I know. I was pretty positive that it was going to, but it probably ain't gonna happen today, guys. And then, you know, my next video, I don't know if it'll be not till the weekend, so for a couple days, just because I work second shift. So it's 2 to 10, so unless I get up early, I don't know, guys. But yeah, we'll get started on this thing and see what we can accomplish. Okay, so I don't know how much we're gonna get done, because I can't remember where everything goes. It's been so long. You have to bear with me, it's been over a year since I've even touched this motor. So I don't wanna like plug some stuff in that shouldn't go there or doesn't need to be plugged in and screw something up. So maybe we'll wait till like, I don't know, Saturday, the weekend, which is only like 3 days away, and go over to David's and look at one of his RX-7s that's already done and running, and see how stuff's plugged up and how this part of the wiring harness down here by the oil cooler goes, because I can't remember how to route it. I can't remember if it goes underneath this bar, on top of the bar, and how it gets over here, because I don't remember it going down behind the radiator and then up by the frame rail, but maybe it does. I don't know, I can't remember, guys. So I don't know if there's anybody out there too that has a rotary that can maybe help me out where this part of the harness, how it routes. Does it go down by the oil cooler, or does it go on top of this bar right here? I can't remember, and I can't remember how it gets over here to where the headlight plug is. So this video is not going to be very interesting, guys. Sorry. I just can't remember, and I don't want to mess something up by plugging something in or not plugging something in that needs to be plugged in, and that's why it won't run. Or so it's better to wait than to rush things. You don't want to rush things, because that's when, you know, you mess stuff up and then you wonder why. It's because you rushed. So anyways, and I was also thinking, what does everybody think about, like, me doing some shirt designs? Because I was thinking about doing some shirt designs, like, I don't know. I'm not sure what yet. I was thinking, like, RX-7, like, my coupe. But then not a lot of people have, or have completed, putting a hardtop on a convertible like I have. So there's not very many people out there, and I don't think that anybody would really want to wear a shirt with something like this on it, because not a lot of people have done it. But I'm not sure. Give me your feedback, guys. I don't know. Or maybe just doing something with RX-7s in general, or maybe just doing something in general with, you know, imports or Japanese culture or drifting or any. You guys give me your ideas, your thoughts. Also, I've been wanting to do hats, because if you can't tell, I love wearing hats. So yeah, give me your thoughts and ideas on that, and we'll see what you guys think, if you would want to purchase something like that. Because I also was thinking about changing my channel name from Dreaming Drifter to something else, something that's brandable, something that you guys would recognize and remember. Kind of like, you know, the big ones like TJ Hunt, Adam LZ, Evan Shanks, Taylor Ray, like something like that. Should I just put my name? Or should I'm not sure. You guys give me feedback. So, okay, one more thing before we either end this video or do another little clip, I'm not sure, but you guys should totally follow me on Instagram. I will put it in the description. It is DTC_RX7, because I'm telling you guys what, last night my fiance was like, oh, why don't you make a Instagram reel of your RX-7? And she made one for me, just really quick, threw it together, and put it up in less than 30 minutes. I'm not kidding you guys. It was crazy. I was so excited. In less than 30 minutes, it got 1,000 views. And then I woke up today with over 2,000 views. So you guys need to get over there. Get on Instagram. I've only posted 2 so far, but I'm going to keep posting Instagram reels of this being done, or me doing stuff to this, and then, you know, when it's finished, all the good stuff, burnouts, drifting, you know, God, brain fart, car meets and things like that. Like, and that's once it becomes summer, because it's winter right now where I live, so it's pretty cold outside. But go over there, follow me on Instagram. I'll put it in the description, because my Instagram reel last night, it was crazy, and it was at 11 o'clock at night. It just kind of blew up. That was the most views I've ever gotten on anything. Well, besides my very first video on here on YouTube, but it's 3 years ago and it has 3,000 views. But in less than, you know, 12 hours, I got over 2,000 views on the Instagram reel, which is crazy. So don't forget, follow me on Instagram. Also, I'm probably just gonna end this video here, just because I'm not gonna do much. I'm not going to screw something up, guys. So sorry this wasn't a very cool video or anything, but I'm not gonna screw it up. So we'll have to get to that probably Saturday when David's off work and he can come over and help me, and we can kind of get it running. So thanks, guys. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, head over to my Instagram, look at that stuff, follow me on Instagram, because I do post quite a bit on there. So, alright guys, have a good day, and don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.